Hello everyone, welcome back to Nat 2, Natural A2. This is another Nat Tuesday with another topic on Nat Tuesday. This week I want to talk about the importance of keeping a regular hair care regimen. Now, some of y'all have been following me from day one, which I really appreciate all you out there. I'm talking to you, the ones that have been following me from the start up until now. That I have been basically natural for, it's going on 3 years now, 2.5 years. And I decided I wanted to go ahead and start making some all natural products for my hair. And many of you have seen that my hair have made leaps and bounds. Well, I want to show you guys some old pictures or maybe some footage of when my hair was really short, and basically now it's thriving. And I've been giving you guys a lot of really good recipes. I hope some of you all are using these recipes. But I want to talk about, you know, why it is important to stay on a natural hair care regimen throughout your duration of trying to get length retention. So if you want to know more, please stay tuned. Yes, so length retention. How do you get length retention? One of them is basically not manipulating your hair a lot. But another one a lot of people fail to realize is finding a really good hair care regimen and sticking with it. Sticking with certain things that help your hair to thrive and continue to thrive. I know sometimes it's easy to make changes, which are okay. I mean, sometimes subtle product changes are okay. But significant product changes, you know, may not be okay. And the reason why it may not be okay, because every manufacturer of the products that you purchase have certain ingredients, and you don't know unless you're doing your research. There are some ingredients that are really not that good for your blood circulation. Of course, you know the scalp is very vascular, and there are some ingredients in products that literally absorb into the bloodstream. That's just not a good thing. So getting back to, you know, length retention, sticking to a natural hair care regimen, and following it through the long, you know, the long haul of your journey. Now, I've been using my products, I'm going to name a few, and you guys will have to take a look. There's a few things that I've been using over and over, and I kind of deviate between all the products that I have made. But I do have a product line that I've done some research on, and they are a very trusted source, and I just go to people that are trusted. I know Stimugro is one of them, a very good company, and I've used the products from them, and they're excellent. And another company that I've been doing my research on, this particular lady was a nurse, and it's really funny because we share the same background, and you know, she's an entrepreneur now, and now she has a major hair care line with organic products and natural, and you know, she's very cognizant of making sure her products have ingredients that are derived. If they're synthetic, they're derived from the natural sources, and they're not going to go into the bloodstream and cause harm. So I have lately been using some of her products, and I am going to tell you what it is if you just hold on. Okay, so the name of the product that I want to share with you that I have been using is the Mielle Organics. I know a lot of you guys are familiar with her product, and I'm just gonna share briefly just a little product review. I've been using her leave-in conditioner. It says pomegranate and honey, and I've been using this post-wash. I've been using it on my hair as a leave-in, using all my natural products and just using this as a leave-in. And my hair has made I would say almost a 180. I can't say 360 because I didn't really have a lot of issues with my hair other than just keeping moisture in it through the week, you know, A lot of times when you're using natural products, you know, you want to have something as a leave-in. I needed a nice leave-in, so I decided after doing research and learning about this lady, Miss Rodriguez, Mielle Organics leave-in conditioner, and I found this conditioner, it just basically absorbed right in. It's like my hair just drunk this conditioner right up, right into my scalp. Now mind you, I do use it with my Chebe butter oil. I mix that, I put a little bit of the leave-in, and I put a little bit of Chebe butter oil because I still got to have my butters and my oils. So, and I found that it worked excellent. I mean, I was really blown away with this product. So later I decided, after using this product, and I've been using it for a little minute or so, probably about 3 weeks now. So I decided, you know what, sometimes when I'm not able to make my natural shampoo, let me just give her shampoo a try. So I went on and bought the pomegranate and honey moisturizing and detangling shampoo. And this shampoo is, it says cleanses with rich lather and silky slip to pre-detangle thick, curly, tight for hair. And pretty much it fit the description for me. So I tried this and I'm like, it smells really good. All her pomegranate and honey products smell delicious actually. So I used it and I'm like, I like this. You know, I'll use this. It's all natural. All natural. It has some synthetic ingredients, but basically it says no parabens, no sulfates, no I can't even read that, but no mineral oil, no DEA, no animal testing, yada yada yada, goes on and on. So yeah, I tried that. Well, without the, you know, I figured, well, if I'm gonna get the shampoo, I might as well get the conditioner as well, the one that just washed out. So I went on and purchased this, which is the moisturizing and detangling conditioner. I have fallen in love with these products because these products are really good. Don't get me wrong, I still use my natural products. I washed my hair yesterday and I basically did a pre-condition using my all-natural pink lemon custard conditioner. I still have my rice conditioner that I'm going to be using that probably every 3 to 4 weeks. You know, I had been on a rice kick with that for about 4 weeks because I had a little bit of heat damage from the last time that I straightened my hair. Just a little bit, not a lot. So I needed to get some protein to repair that, and what better way to do it than to do it through the rice. So anyhow, the rice subject is going to be on another video. But I just wanted to share that this is I have implemented the Mielle Organics into my hair care regimen, and it'll be kind of off and on using these products, with the exception of the leave-in conditioner. I am going to be using this every time I wash because for some reason I still don't have an all-natural leave-in conditioner other than my spritz, which I use that every day, sometimes every other day, and that's gonna be you'll see that video. I just did that video last week, so you'll see that video in the end credits of this video. So that's all I have to say, guys. You know, it is important to stick with a healthy hair care regimen and just stick as long as you can with the products for a long duration of time, and just gradually include products into your hair care regimen. See if your hair likes it, and if it does, then you can keep going with it. Give your hair reasons why you want to include other products. But I find that my hair is retaining a lot of length because of the fact that I am using regular products every day, washing my hair every week. I am going to be using another product. It's an oil. It's very good for dandruff. It's good for soothing the scalp. It's going to have eucalyptus in it, peppermint. And I'm not going to tell you all the other ingredients yet because this is another formula that I'm working on. This formula, unfortunately, I can't give you guys the formulation of this. This is my own personal formula that I'm testing on my scalp to see how much growth I get. And I'm going to go from there. And if I find that it's really doing well with my scalp, then I'll offer it to you guys. So with that being said, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want every video that I post. Also, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And until next week, I want to say to you all, God bless you, many blessings, and be natural, stay natural, take care.